Hi everyone, Caroline here. I just want to share something really, really interesting. Have you ever got a symbol from Spirit? Look at this symbol on my screen. I received this symbol in my dreams about 8 or 7 years ago. I'm not even sure, around that time. And it was given to me as a symbol for trauma removal. It was this spiral with an arrow that faces the earth. And I even made a video about it, and it's somewhere on the channel. I'll probably put a link to it in the description. But anyway, the interesting thing is that it was given to me by Spirit. I had never seen it before. I was just told that this was a symbol that was to be used in the third eye area to remove trauma. And the type of trauma that this symbol was supposed to remove was that kind of trauma where one has experienced horrible, horrible, horrible things happening to them. And this was especially in the cases of women and children, where the horrible, horrible, those kinds of acts had been done to someone and by whoever. And it was so bad that and so deep that the person didn't know what to do. And I was told that when one uses this symbol in the third eye area, this symbol was going to help in removing those kinds of trauma. So that was how that situation happened. I made a video about it, as I said. So anyway, the other day I was watching something on YouTube and I came across this woman and she had this symbol in her background. And I thought to myself, oh my God, how is it that this person has this same symbol in her background? Like, what is this story? What is the story behind why she has that symbol? It was so beautiful the way it was just radiating, and I could feel the symbol speaking to me because remember, I too had received this symbol in a dream and I had kind of forgotten about it until I saw that symbol. And so, because of curiosity, I decided to reach out to that woman to kind of find out, the story behind that symbol and what it meant, and did it mean the same thing as what it meant for me and whatnot. Anyway, she hasn't responded back to me, but what Spirit reminded me about and what I want to share is that the things that we have received from our source, those symbols, those codes, those messages, that information that we have received directly into our beingness through dreams, through meditation, through channeling, through our own guides, through our own inner knowing, those symbols are crucial. Those symbols are our codes. Those symbols are still effective. Those symbols still have the energy to activate other people. And let me tell you what I mean. By just listening to the kind of things that this woman who displayed that code in the background, that made me remember my own similar code. By just listening to the things that that woman was talking about, I'm telling you, and I kid you not, she answered so many of my questions that had just kind of laid dormant over the years, things that I'd always wondered about that I didn't really have a clear, definitive conclusion about. She answered those questions. It was almost like these two codes, her symbol and my symbol, connected, and because of that, so many other code exchanges happened in between the conversations she was having with that other person that answered the questions that, man, I have always wondered about certain things. And the connection, that connection of her displaying her symbol and me remembering my codes and our symbols matching, opened up something that really brought to a conclusion things that I had pending in the background. So the thing is this: let us keep sharing our wisdom. Let us keep putting our symbols and our codes out there. Let us keep putting the sound of our voices out there. To the extent that you are able, keep sharing with other people the things that you have received from Spirit, because someone is watching, someone is looking, someone will find you. It is not about numbers, it is about that one person. And remember, everything is quantum. 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 could be 11, 1 plus 1 could be 2. That is in the old way. Things are now quantum and everything is just connecting dots and lights are just going everywhere. So, symbol to symbol, heart to heart, your own inner knowing to that other person's inner knowing, codes are going to be exchanged. Let's keep doing the work. Do not look at any other thing. Do not care about any other thing. Just keep doing whatever it is you're doing from the inspiration within you and with the joy that you have. You know what I mean? That is a call. Do things joyfully, whatever, and just put what you need to put out there. And let me tell you, the world has changed, and symbol to symbol, code to code, we are activating. Okay? I love you guys. And until next time, bye.